You probably share a lot of memes, YouTube videos, images, and probably Reddit and Twitter posts, but did you know by simply sharing what I'm about to show you, you will make $5 every minute? All you have to do is visit this website. Not so fast, you'll have to watch the whole video. This is about to be fun, so stay tuned. Hey, I'm the Executive, and welcome to my channel where I teach you some of the fastest, easiest, and effortless ways to make money online for absolutely free. I post videos every single day, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an opportunity to make easy money online. Also, stay tuned for the giveaway announcement in this video because I will be announcing a winner soon. Now, let's get started with the video. Step number 1. The website that we'll be using today is this one called OfferVault, which you'll find over at offervault.com. It's a CPA website. Now, if you don't know, then CPA stands for cost per action, which means every time someone takes action by clicking on your link and following a few steps, you'll get paid a certain amount. Sometimes the actions can be buying some product or buying a service, but in this case, it's as simple as it gets. Why, you ask? Well, because here all people will have to do is enter their names and email address for signing up to a website. They don't have to buy anything or spend their money on any product. I'll also be showing you what you'll be promoting, and once people understand they can actually benefit from the offer, they'll surely sign up. So this is the website right here, and as you can see right here, these are the different links you'll be promoting, and you can get paid from as low as $1 to as high as $600 depending on the action that needs to be completed. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of offers that you can promote, but there are certain categories, certain types of offers that you'll be promoting that will get people to sign up as soon as they see it. I will show you the offers that people think are rewarding for them, and along with that, I'll also show you the platform, the tool that you'll be using to promote this link with, and setting all of this on a complete autopilot so you won't need any social media following, any huge online presence, any YouTube channel, or any blog to promote this at all. But before that, I am starting a huge giveaway on this channel, and you can win a MacBook Pro, an iPhone XR, a PS5, and $1,000. All you have to do is leave a like, comment the keyword hidden in the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and remember to watch the entire video. Doing this won't just help you make more money online, but also ridiculously spike your chances of winning this giveaway. Now that you know and you've already liked this video, let's begin. Step number 2. Head over to the search bar and type the keywords gift card and then click on search. Then you'll see all of these different offers that will pay you around $30 to $45. So when you refer these types of offers to other people, all they have to do in most of the cases is sign up, and they will stand a chance to win a gift card, whereas you will earn the payout every time someone completes an action. So it becomes a lot more easier to make people sign up for stuff where they can make $1 or $500. For the purpose of this video, I'm selecting this offer right here, which says win $500 in an Amazon gift card. Now, this is the type of offer you wouldn't want to promote because even though most people won't win $500, they will give it a try as it takes only 60 seconds. And if you check this right here, it will pay you $30 per referral. So if you get 10 referrals, you'll make $300, and if you make 100 referrals, you'll make around $3,000, which is a lot, but don't worry because using the software that I'm about to show you, you can earn all that money on complete autopilot. Now, of course, you don't have to select this particular offer. You can select any one that you like. I'm using this one as an example. Now, once you find an offer that you like, select that offer, then you'll land on this page where you'll be able to preview the offer. You'll see the offer payout, the category, the name of the offer, and if you click on preview landing page, you'll also be able to preview the actual thing that you're promoting. So as you can see here, for a limited time, enjoy a $500 gift card, and all you have to do is enter your email address and some other information and simply click on continue. Then the person who you send this to might win a $500 Amazon gift card, and you'll win $30 for the completed action. Now click on run offer, then you'll be taken to this page where you will have to enter all your details. It's easy and you'll finish this in under 5 minutes. After that, simply click OK, register, so the people that you'll be promoting this to will only have to enter some details, which will hardly take 2 minutes, and they might stand a chance to win $500 Amazon gift card or this fitness band. Now you can also use this CPA website right here called CPA Leads and achieve the same results. You can check out that website if you want, but right now I'll be showing you the software that will help you automate all of this and make money on complete autopilot. Step number 3. Now, the process that we will be using to automate the whole money-making process is this one called ProfitMate, which you will find at profitmate.net. This website basically creates an unlimited email subscriber list for you, and it allows you to market through those email subscribers 24 hours a day, and you can promote absolutely anything you want. It doesn't necessarily need to be a CPA link. It can be an affiliate link, it can be a link to different offers, it can be a link to different videos, but for this instance, we are using CPA links because it is quite easier and people tend to respond to emails like these where they don't actually stand a chance to win something in return. So now you don't have to post your links in any Facebook groups or have a big social media following or even spend thousands of dollars on ads. You can very easily enter your login ID and password, set this up within a few minutes, and enjoy the automatic money in your account. So as you can see on this website, build an unlimited email list from the internet within 42 seconds. All you have to do is enter any keyword and the software will create an unlimited email list that you can use to promote anything you like. This is very simple, 100% legal, so instead of working hard, you are actually working smart without doing any work as the software will do all the work for you. They have also given you the rules and explained to you how this whole software works right here. So basically what it does, whenever you enter any keyword, it will download all the contacts, the niche of the keyword from the Contact Us page on Google, and provide you with an email list. Now, even if it provided you with this much, it would have been great, but they also help you with the tools and techniques on how you can convert the contacts into actual customers. And if you scroll down right here, you can see that they have also explained about the different tools that they provide you with right here, so you can take a look and check this website out for yourself. So this app provides you with every possible feature that will help you get traffic and buys on every possible links you have. Now, this app is paid, but I am pretty sure using this tool, you will be earning thousands of dollars per month, and you will have to only pay around $100. But they have a sale right now where they're providing you with this software for $16, which is absolutely a great deal. So make sure you select the right deal to promote using this software. Now, if you want to know how you can make money by simply watching gaming videos, then make sure you watch this video that I'm linking right here. Tell me in the comments below, how much money do you intend to make using this software? Also, did you find the hidden keyword? If yes, then type it in the comment section below and follow the given steps so you can stand a chance to win the giveaway. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video, and that's it for now. Now let's go make some money.